Every hero has their weapon.
Thor has his hammer. Developers, we have an entire ecosystem of slightly confusing software tools that somehow work together. Welcome to Setup Day, the day you transform your laptop from glorified Netflix machine into your personal AI-powered development studio. Before we start, take a deep breath. You're about to install a few things that might briefly make you feel like a hacker from a 90s movie. You are not, but you will look very cool doing it. First stop, GitHub, your online memory palace. This is where your code lives, sleeps, and occasionally breaks at 3 a.m. Sign up, create a repo. That's developer speak for folder with commitment issues. Push your code up and boom, you're now version controlled, baby. Next up, Supabase, basically Firebase, but open source and cooler. It's your app's brain, storing all your user data, notes, and probably too many test accounts. It gives you an instant Postgres database, authentication, and APIs without needing to sell your soul to configure it. Sign up, start a new project, and just remember, when Supabase asks if you want row-level security, say yes. Otherwise, your app might turn into a public diary. Now, let's talk Vercel, the one-click deploy platform that makes launching websites almost too easy. Connect your GitHub repo, hit deploy, and, just like that, your project is online. It's so fast you'll think, wait, did I forget something? And yes, you did. Testing. But we'll get to that later. Finally, the star of the show, Cursor AI. Imagine GitHub Copilot and VS Code had a baby that actually helps you debug stuff. Cursor reads your project, explains your code, writes new functions, and even argues with you about better variable names. Set it up, link your GitHub repo, and let it do the heavy lifting. Just remember, Cursor is powerful, but it's still your project. If you give it vague instructions, it'll produce vague results. Kinda like asking a genie for success without the fine print. And there it is, your new AI-powered development lab. GitHub stores your work, Supabase holds your data, Vercel ships it to the world, and Cursor helps you build it all faster than humanly possible. You're no longer just learning to code, you're becoming a builder with an AI sidekick and a global stage. So, take a sip of coffee, stretch your fingers, and prepare to create something extraordinary, because from this point forward, every idea you have can become real. And all it takes is a few clicks and a slightly sarcastic cursor. Next up, thinking like a developer, selling like a freelancer. Bring your brain, your caffeine, and maybe a fresh Git commit.